Namaste. Welcome to the last day of edition 3 and today we are going to play game. Tada! Are you ready? I hope you have watched all the videos of edition 3 because our game is on that. So we are going to play 2 games, right? Our first game is tic-tac-toe and our second game is guess the story. So in our first game, which is tic-tac-toe, what we will do, we will make a grid for the tic-tac-toe in a sheet, which I am going to show you. So make a grid like this. इस तरीके से grid बना लेंगे. And there are words shown on the screen. There are 10 words that are shown on the screen. You will write down any 9 words here. आपको स्क्रीन में जो 10 शब्द दिख रहे हैं उनमें से किन्हीं 9 शब्दों को आप यहां पर लिख लें. And today I am also going to play with you. Let's see what happens. So write the words in the grid. Since you are ready with tic-tac-toe, let's understand the rules of playing the game. So rule number 1 is you have to write down 9 words in the grid. Yes? Rule number 2 is if you don't mind, I will be X in this game and you will be O. Correct? So when it's my turn, you will mark X on the word, and when it's your turn, you will mark O. We will figure it out. While playing the game, we will know how to do it. The third rule is when there is a word associated with the hint, you will mark either X or O. Correct? So let's play the game and let's see who wins today. Are you ready? So let's begin. First, it's your turn, and what you will do, if there is word linked to the hint, then you will put O on that word. So I'm going to take the hint out. What Peter did to call Willie. विली को बुलाने के लिए पीटर ने क्या किया था? If the word is in your grid, then you will put O because it is your turn. I'm also going to put. Now it's my turn. I'm going to take out the second hint. Postman delivered it to Dadu's house. डाकिये ने इसे दादा के घर पे डिलीवर किया था. So it's my turn. If the word is there in your grid, you will put X. Now it's your turn. And I'm going to take the hint on your behalf. The boy whose crayons came back. So it's your turn. So you will put O if that word is there in your grid. So now it's my turn and I'm going to take out the hint. The hint is, what did people wear to save themselves from drowning? लोगों ने अपने आप को डूबने से बचाने के लिए क्या पहना था? अगर ये वर्ड आपकी ग्रिड में है तो आप X लगाओगे क्योंकि ये मेरा टर्न है. Now it's your turn, and the hint is, how did blind men made sense of elephant? उन अंधे लोगों ने हाथी के बारे में कैसे पता लगाया था? क्योंकि ये आपका टर्न है और अगर वर्ड आपकी ग्रिड में है तो आप क्या करोगे? ओ मार्क करोगे. It's my turn again, and the hint is, when Wemberley rubbed Petal's ears. वेम्बरले ने पेटल के कान कब रब किए थे? सोचो सोचो सोचो. And since it is my turn, you will put X. अब आपकी टर्न है और हिंट क्या है? So the hint is, after father dyed the thread, how did Ammi made the sari? जब पापा ने थ्रेड को डाई कर दिया था तो अम्मी ने साड़ी कैसे बनाई थी? क्योंकि ये आपकी टर्न है और अगर वर्ड आपकी ग्रिड में है तो आप क्या मार्क करोगे? ओ. और फिर से मेरी टर्न आ गई और मैं हिंट देखती हूं अब क्या है. तो हिंट है, family played with shadow when there was, घर वालों ने परछाई के साथ खेला था जब और क्योंकि ये मेरी टर्न है तो वर्ड के ऊपर आप क्या मार्क करोगे? X. और फिर से आपकी टर्न आ गई है और हिंट देखते हैं अब क्या है. हिंट है, who put the bird back in its nest? चिड़िया को वापस से घोंसले में किसने रखा था? और ये टर्न किसकी है? आपकी. तो वर्ड आपकी ग्रिड में है तो आप क्या मार्क करोगे? I will tell you why I'm doing this. और अब ये मेरी टर्न है. I have one chance. Let's see what happens. और मैं हिंट निकालती हूं और देखते हैं ये हिंट क्या है. What bear thought he saw when he was on his way for a walk? जब भालू अपनी वॉक पे निकला था तो उसे क्या लगा था? उसने क्या देखा है? क्योंकि ये मेरी टर्न है और अगर वर्ड आपकी ग्रिड में है तो आप क्या मार्क करोगे? X. Let's see what happens. आप अपनी ग्रिड में देखो क्या हुआ है. In my grid, I also won and you also won. Isn't that great? Let's celebrate our victory. But how does your grid look like now? Who won the game? But with stories, we all win and we all grow together, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed this tic-tac-toe activity. Now we will do another activity, which is guess the story. I hope you enjoyed tic-tac-toe. So our second activity is guess the story. And how we will guess the story, I will show you activity that we made after the story and you have to recall the name of the story, right? हमने बहुत सारी एक्टिविटी की थी ना अलग अलग दिन पे. आज मैं आपको ये एक्टिविटी दिखाऊंगी, बाकी एक्टिविटीज जो हमने की वो दिखाऊंगी और आपको ध्यान करना है कि वो कहानी कौन सी थी जिसके साथ हमने ये वाली एक्टिविटी की थी. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद दिस. ये हमने किस स्टोरी के बाद बनाया था? कौन सी स्टोरी सुनने के बाद हमने बनाया था? When Bear Plays Football. Yes. So the activities are inside this box. Now I will pick one thing and you have to recall the title of the story. I am not going to say the title of the story now. You have to guess it. Da, 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 da. When did we make this? Do you remember? Okay, I'll give you one hint. Read this what it is blue. And read this what it is black, white. Remember this story we read on crayons? I gave you this much hint. Now you have to find out the title. Now our next. Shall I close my eyes and pick one thing? Ah. Do you remember this story? Do you remember the story? See, if you remember the story, I am not going to tell you the name of that story. Hi. And okay, I have to close this. And now open it. Move my hand around this. Did you show this to your parents and to your family members? Did you do this at home? Which story was it? कौन सी कहानी में हमने ये करना जाना था? सोचो सोचो। और ये किस कहानी में हमने किया था? कौन सी कहानी थी ये सोचो। इसमें हमने क्या किया है? वीविंग की थी। और कौन सी कहानी में वीविंग हुई थी? सोचो सोचो। आपको कहानी का पूरा नाम सोचना है। जैसे मैंने इस एक्टिविटी के लिए पूरा नाम बताया था आपको कहानी का, just like that you have to say the title of the story, not just oh yeah there was this in the story. That is also right, but you have to tell the title, the complete title of the story. Think. You must be wondering what's coming next. So the next is, it's a pop-up card. When did we make pop-up card? Or did we make pop-up card in our session? Yes, we made pop-up card. And what was the occasion? And that occasion was in which story? Figure it out. And when did we make this? I can touch here and it's a different feel. This is a different feel. And this feels quite different. Do you remember this story? Yes. उड़ चली आसमान में, उड़ चली आसमान में. This bird is flying up in the air. Where was this bird in our story? And what was the story? Yes. You remember the story so well. And this we did yesterday, so I'm sure you will remember the story. Ting ting. There was a dog in the story and somebody did something to call dog. What was the story? Are we forgetting something? Let me look inside. No, this box is empty. Now you can have fun. And now you can show around, and now you can take out all your activities, show to your parents and play tic-tac-toe with your parents also. Very soon we are going to start edition 4. If you have any feedback or suggestion, kindly let us know through the comment section. We would like to know your feedback, your suggestions, and we would like to grow together with you. I hope you are enjoying all the sessions and stories. Thanks for being with us in edition 1, 2 and 3, and we will be back very soon. Thank you so much.